there, health enthusiasts. Today I want to talk about something that could literally change your life. You've probably heard the saying, prevention is better than cure, but have you ever really thought about what it means? Let's dive into it. First off, let's talk about the power of. Imagine you're driving a car. Would you rather have a car that never breaks down because you maintain it regularly? Or a car that's always in the shop because you wait until something goes wrong? Your body works the same way. Regular checkups, balanced nutrition and exercise can go a long way in keeping your health in check. One key element in prevention is, we all love junk food, but our bodies, not so much. Eating a balanced diet filled with fruits, vegetables, lean proteins and whole grains provides the nutrients your body needs to fight off illnesses before they even start. Think of food as your first line of defense. Next up is, you don't have to be a gym rat to stay healthy. Even a 30-minute walk a day can do wonders. Exercise boosts your immune system, helps maintain a healthy weight, and reduces stress. It's like giving your body a little tune-up. My friends, it's not just about feeling rested, it's about giving your body time to heal and regenerate. Aim for 7-9 hours a night. Good sleep can improve your mood, memory, and even your immune system. Let's not forget, stress is a silent killer. Implementing mindfulness practices like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even just taking some time for yourself can significantly reduce stress levels. It's all about balance. Now I get it. Life gets busy, and sometimes it's hard to prioritize these things. But think about the long-term benefits. Wouldn't you rather spend a little time each day on prevention than dealing with chronic illnesses later on? The choice is yours. So let's recap. For a healthier life, focus on eat well, get regular exercise, ensure good sleep, and take care of your mental health. It's about making small, consistent changes that add up over time. Remember, health is wealth. Taking care of yourself now means enjoying life more fully later. So start today because your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more health tips. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you next time.